Yes, good morning, students. Today, let's talk about Heron's formula and its limitations. Let's imagine we are having a triangle ABC. It's a scalene triangle. None of the sides are equal. So I'm going to find out the area of this triangle. This is the area of this triangle using Heron's formula. Now, this formula is especially applicable in case of a triangle when all the three sides are given. Three sides are given. In this case particular, the three sides are A, B and C. I mean to say this is the length of three sides. Now, we all know how to find the perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter can also be called as boundary of the triangle, right? In Hindi or Punjabi we say had of the triangle. So perimeter is basically, this is the boundary AB having length A, BC having length C, and CA having length B. Sum of all these lengths, this is the perimeter A plus B plus C. Now guys, this is a perimeter. Now I define something which is semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter. And I denote semi-perimeter by S. Now we know that semi word we can always use by semi to have half of something. So if perimeter is A plus B plus C, then the semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C divided by 2. Half of this stuff. Now, once you know the semi-perimeter, you can easily find the area of the triangle. Area of triangle ABC is given by Heron's formula. What? S. What is S? Semi-perimeter into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C and under root of this. Now we know that area is a 2D concept. Area is a 2D concept. Now 2D concept has the units of, let's say, meter square. Now very simple, this will be meter into meter into meter into meter. That will be meter raised to power 4. And when I take square of that, it will be meter square. So dimensional homogeneity is checked. Now the unit of this will be any unit square, maybe centimeter square, maybe meter square. Now this is very simple formula. We know we can also find the area of the triangle by the other formula when the height of the triangle is given. Let's say this is the height and this is the base. Then we know the area of the triangle is half into base into height. But in Heron's formula's application, it's not necessary to have the height, but you must have all the three sides. Now let's talk about the limitation of Heron's formula. Now, limitation of Heron's formula is when the semi-perimeter is equal to either A or B or C, any side, then one of these terms will become 0. So the area of the triangle will become 0. For example, if you take the sides, let's say 5, then 10 is 15. Let's say the other side is also 5. Let's say in the starting I had mentioned that Heron's formula, we have taken a scalene triangle. Not necessarily. You can even find the area of a equilateral triangle also, any triangle, maybe right angle triangle, any triangle. But the only thing is the S semi-perimeter should not be equal to any of the sides. Now here I've taken Three sides are 5, 10, 15. Now, the semi-perimeter in this case will be 10 plus 5 plus 5, 20 divided by 2, that is equal to 10. Now, it is equal to one of the sides. When it is equal to one of the sides, we are not able to find the area of the triangle by Heron's formula. Why? Because when I will do as 10 into 10 minus 5, then 10 minus 10 will come out to be 0. So, this is the limitation of Heron's formula, right? Now let's check the validity of Heron's formula and the similarity of both this what? Similarity of both this formula. One formula is half into V into H. Other formula we know very well, Heron's formula. Let's say I take this as 4, I take this as 3 and this as 5, right? Now, uh, the area in this case by half into base into height would be equal to half into base is 3 into height is 4. So this is equal to 4 3 is at 12 by 2, 6. Let's say everything in centimeter, 6 centimeter square. If we apply Heron's formula to this case, we know semi-perimeter will be equal to 5 plus 4 plus 3, that is the perimeter divided by 2. Now this is equal to what? 5 plus 4 is 9 plus 3, 12 by 2 is 6. Now, think whether the Heron's formula can be applied. Yes, it can be applied because 6 is not equal to any of the sides. So what will be the area? You see guys, the area will be S 6 into 6 minus 5, 1 into 6 minus 4, 2 and 6 minus 3 is 3. Under root. Very right. This is equal to 3 to the 6, 6 6 the 36. If I take under root, this is 6 centimeter square. So you see that both the formulae are yielding same results. Okay. Uh, so this is also motivation for good brains in mathematics, that if you have one formula for a triangle, you can always do research and find out some other formula also. So don't limit yourself with the books and with teachers like me. We can be teaching wrong, books can be wrong, but you must try to go further beyond the books. Thank you very much, guys. All the best, and do like and subscribe our YouTube channel Learn CBSE.